Cognizant's getting a lot of these questions about what can you do, not over 6 years, but over 6 weeks to help us free up cash. And JP, you talked a lot about the cloud. We talked a little bit about attacking the application layer and modernizing legacy software. What are some other things that Forrester and you are advising people that are asking you, like, how do we unlock capital? Because I know that you and I have talked about this a lot over a long time, which is, people are sitting on cash right now that it's almost a lack of imagination, really, that you don't see it anymore because you're so used to paying the tax for heritage corporate IT. What is Forrester telling people as what can you do now to free up that capital to drive the change that we simply can't avoid anymore?
Yeah. One thing that we've looked at is that there are what you might think of as invisible resources available within your organization. This involves, for example, using technology to create internal marketplaces of job tasks and allowing people to cross-train. So imagine that you have a huge upsurge in IT help ticketing, which happened during this crisis as people were moving to work from home. But maybe you could find that actually there were people who were working in the finance department who could be trained to take on the very lowest level of IT support. Creating a system that was flexible enough to ticket that out might actually help you to reduce some of the volume on that IT help desk. And I actually have talked to a couple companies that did that. Invisible resources include fallow talent. We're finding, for example, salespeople who are, in fact, working from home, who used to be on the road, who are now answering call questions, that would have gone to a contact center, and they're able to then do a little bit of upsell. Technology-wise, of course, automation is sort of the hot ticket right now. Being able to automate processes, make sure that they are happening, and unfortunately, a lot of that labor has already left. Right? It is a privilege to be able to work from home and have a job. Some people are not fortunate enough to do that, but again, those companies then have to figure out how do we actually get the work done on behalf of our customers, keeping the concern going, keeping the customer happy. Hopefully that also will buttress the incoming revenue picture.